Alright, morning YouTube. So I still haven't made this in the garage yet. Didn't even get a chance to power wash it. It's just been sitting up here in my front yard. I had started working on that red truck, trying to get me some brakes on it. And I got the brake lines and everything on it, and I'm just running front brakes because it's just a yard truck. The back needed new shoes. They had broken springs, and then it ended up ruining one of the wheel cylinders, so I just said to hell with the back brakes and just fixed the front up. The front had brand new pads that looked like still yet on it, which I remember doing the front right before I quit driving this on the road. So but anyways, so we're gonna go down, hook up the log hauler, grab a couple logs up out of the woods. I got a couple pine up there laying, and a white oak and a couple other pines. So I'll bring you along for a couple of them, and then we'll mill a few of them up. Had 50-degree day yesterday. Pretty much had this all melted, and then today we're dealing with about 32 right now. I think it said high of 35, but snow all day. So, all right, here we go. Alright, so I had to drive back up and get the tongs. Anyways, I was looking for the blower. It's gonna blow this thing out. But I looked around, didn't see no mice nests anyway, so. Yeah, so this truck, I couldn't get the bleeders out, and they were already kind of rounded off, so I couldn't find my extractor set, so I ordered one. It should be here the next day or so, and hopefully I can get these bled. I at least have a little brakes, and if I pump them, I have a lot. And then being in four-wheel drive, with only having front brakes, it works pretty decent. But yeah, I want to get these couple logs before it gets too crappy up here. I did manage to get the chains on the tractor tire, and then what I did was they were a little looser than I wanted them to be, but I couldn't get them any tighter, so I realized that the tires were quite low on air, so I just pumped them up, man. They tightened those chains up so tight to the tire that All right, everyone, I'm gonna run up to the house and move the packages away from the doors. I drove up there when I went to get the tongs, and there was a few up there. I don't like them leaving them up there, and where they leave them, you can see the door from the road. But still going at it with the snow, and I'm gonna get the tractor going once I get back down here, get these loaded up, get the mill fired up, get milling, and get some more of these around here moved over. So, alright everyone, this is just a short one, me moving some logs in I guess you'd call this a small snowstorm. Alright, have a great day. Thanks for watching.